We came here, we have receipt and everything, and that guy also was there only. So we are checking now how much they put petrol. So let's see.
It's 11:45 at night, and I thought today only let's come.
Because I was sitting and
tomorrow we
calculating
come.
money, and suddenly I saw how is possible.
Overall 35 liter we can fit in our car,
and
already nearly 10 liter we had.
और जब पेट्रोल भरा था अचानक सामने आ गया कैशबैक मतलब बाजू हटो like pay once scan you'll get cashback offer I was like go to side, you are not listening. So okay, let's see now how much to show. So guys, see here is showing 2,800 rupees, but they took 3,300 rupees.
First time he put 5 liter, then we said to him ki make it full. We didn't say 5 liter. So after that he took 5 liter extra money from us, and petrol is so expensive in India. Now manager is calling him. This guy also was with him.
Hello guys, you know what happened now?
Guys, we got our haq.
So actually we are put at 9 we put petrol in our car.
Yeah.
So already we had 10 liter. So I said ki make it full. I started 500 rupees petrol. He put, he said ki oh sorry I will put remaining petrol again. And
But
he said
number
ki
was going from there only.
so he said again I will start. And suddenly he came in front of me, he was like cashback offer is there if you pay on scan and this thing. I said go away, I want to see. Then he was like no, it was zero only. Then I saw bill became 3,300.
But how money is going for them? I don't understand. Money is going.
Didn't show na. There he showed 2,800 only.
Huh? Oh my god. So around 500 he took extra
from us. So I went
like
at home
to put in his pocket. So just imagine.
Let me
how
explain
much.
what happened when starting. So we have Tata Tiago. Its capacity is this right side.
Okay.
Capacity of Tata Tiago is 35 liter. मुझे लगा कि 40 लीटर है स्टार्टिंग में, तो 10 लीटर था हमारे पास पेट्रोल, तो मैंने कहा फुल कर दो, तो बिल आया 3,300 मतलब 32 पॉइंट समथिंग लीटर भरा होगा पेट्रोल. तो मैंने चेक किया बाद में जाके कि इसकी कैपेसिटी तो 35 लीटर ही है मेरे टाटा टीवी की, तो उसने कैसे फिल किया 32 लीटर. ऑलरेडी आई हैड 10 लीटर. सो आई चेक एवरीथिंग, रिसिप्ट आई चेक, आई केम बैक. I said, show me how much is showing in your computer, like in system. Show me how much is showing. Then he saw it became 2,800 only. Then
so good. One thing I got amazed by India, really I'm saying, because in Iran it's not like this. This system we don't have in Iran. Is that they can check how much already they put petrol for each person.
I had received.
Because now I was talking to my parents on call. Suddenly Bhagwan came to me and he's like, they did a scam on us. They took extra money from us and this thing. Then when I said to my parents, they said nothing you can do, so don't go because you cannot prove that this much you put. But then I got to know that in India you can check how much they put petrol. I was so much amazed.
I was searching on internet. They were saying ki manager is there, one backside manager is there. You can go and ask him the exact how much liter they put and amount. So they was showing 2,800, but they took 3,300 rupees from us.
But that money they didn't show.
तो अभी मैं चला गया, तो मैनेजर ने उसको कॉल किया और जो भी बात की थी कि बोले कल से काम को मत आना है. मैंने बोला काम से मत निकालो, मुझे किसी का नुकसान नहीं करना, लेकिन ये गलत बात है. तो उसने हमारा मनी रिटर्न किया और अभी आ गया वापस. तो देख लो, मतलब इंडिया में बहुत स्कैम है. और हमारा टाटा टियागो के भी शोरूम का भी मुझे बात करनी है, वहाँ पे भी कुछ तो लग रहा है मुझे, कुछ तो इश्यू है वहाँ पे भी. उसका भी इश्यू हम उठाएंगे, छोड़ेंगे नहीं किसी को हम. लेफ्ट साइड आई विल नॉट लीव एनीवन.
You say?
Because we paid for a car 5.89 lakh rupees, but invoice became 5.82. So that also I want to send mail to Tata customer care and this thing. If they didn't solve the problem, then I will make video on it.
I don't know. So much of scam is there. I don't know. People are not even thinking to like they are robbing money of people.
And everyone is robber, really. And don't see Indian people are because this is our first time here, new car we bought na, we don't
They are
even
not
know.
thinking this money
Ah.
how they can use or how they can give to their family. Because from childhood I remember my parents used to, like when I used to go to school, they used to check our bag. And if I have even one extra pencil in my bag from someone that my family used to put my name on my everything.
Dog is sleeping, huh?
On my everything they used to put like my pencil, my rubber, my everything. So if something extra was there that so if something extra is there that they didn't know is for whom, they used to ask me whose bag is this or whose rubber is this or something. Go and put in your class, or if you know is for whom, give them.
तो लेकिन देखो गाइज, हमें किसी का कुछ नुकसान नहीं करना, लेकिन बहुत बड़े स्कैम हो रहे हैं। एक टाटा शोरूम का भी है, मैं बताऊंगा, उसका भी वीडियो बनाना है। मतलब एक्सेसरीज की प्राइस देखोगे ना आप, मतलब कैमरा जो है डैश कैम कैमरा, उसकी प्राइस ऑनलाइन 6000 है, लेकिन वो सेल कर रहे हैं 11000 को वहां पे। बाहर से लगा भी नहीं सकते आप एक्सेसरीज, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स जो भी, वारंटी पे कुछ इफेक्ट आ जाएगा। तो मतलब बहुत सारा, मतलब पता नहीं क्या चल रहा है, मतलब इंडिया में सब जगह कुछ ना कुछ है ही, मतलब है ही। तो अब इसका भी मैं पूरा अच्छे से दिखाऊंगा वीडियो, मतलब बनाऊंगा मैं क्या क्या हुआ था।
Why you're taking video? Then Bhagwan said, why not? I'm YouTuber, I'm taking video. Then he gave us, he called that person, and I was not understanding everything, but little I understood. So he gave us 1000 rupees and instead of 500 rupees. And he said, please don't put video, because problem is not with us. These people are coming here for work, and because of them we are getting like bad reviews, and people are thinking bad and wrong about us.
So guys, ऐसा है, देखो।
That's it. Let's see what will happen to Tata.
और अब टाइम पता है क्या है अभी? 12 बजे हम गए थे रात को 12 बजे गए थे, रिसिप्ट लेके दिखाए उसको, टाइम दिखाए, जब कहा किस टाइम पे हमने पेमेंट किया, उस टाइम का हमने देखा कितना।
But I'm also crazy boy. Really, I'm saying. This is for
मतलब बेटा is so much motivated to take her hug, right, and this
if
thing.
If someone is taking my rights and like abusing me, it's not about money. It's not about even if 10 rupees. Really, I'm saying. If I want.
There only one guy was sitting there who was filling air in tire, and this thing we gave 50 rupees to him as 80 rupees just like for him.
Yeah. So that is not important. Even when I was in Iran, so many times happened. I used to do work, and I prayed like if like I get salary and these things, just for no reason. My first salary I will give to workers. And I did all whatever for my first salary in my life I got. I paid to workers. But that is so different. You want to help someone, but if someone want to rob you, even if it's 5 rupees, even if it's 10 rupees, then I will not back up. I will not be silent.
Really? चलो गाइस, अभी जाते हैं सोते, 12 बजे, अभी 12:30 बजने वाले। गुड नाइट, बाय गाइस। देखो अभी हम चले गए थे पेट्रोल पंप, वहां से हमने दिखाया, मतलब जो रिसिप्ट थी हमारे पास वो दिखाई उनको। और मतलब देखो कैसे कैसे स्कैम हो रहे हैं इंडिया में, मतलब क्या बोले। अभी मैंने बोला नौकरी से मत निकालो, लेकिन उसको फाइन कर दो या कुछ ना कुछ कर दो, लेकिन पता नहीं मतलब क्या चल रहा है इनका। देखो मैं सोच नहीं रहा था कि मतलब टीआई की कैपेसिटी 35 लीटर है, तो उसने 32 लीटर कैसे डाला पेट्रोल मेरे गाड़ी में। तो मैंने रिसिप्ट देखा, मैंने चेक किया ऑनलाइन कि वहां पे कोई ना कोई बैठा रहता है, वहां पे जाओ बैक एंड में देख सकते हैं कितने लीटर का पेट्रोल डाला है उन्होंने। तो मैं गया, चेक किया, जो मैनेजर था वहां का, उसने देखा और उसको समझ में आ गया कि उसने 500 रुपये से कुछ ना कुछ किया है। तो फिर उसने पकड़ लिया, उसने मेरे पैसे वापस भी कर दिए, और बेटा भी थी मेरे साथ। और पता है टाइम क्या है? 12 बजे है शाम की।
Actually, what happened is that I'm so proud of Bhagwan.
No, I'm proud of you.
No, if I was alone, definitely I would get scammed. I was talking to my family on call. Suddenly he came and he's like, "Pita, they scammed us." When we were there also, I was thinking
I was
something's
feeling,
wrong.
because suddenly he came in front of me when he was filling petrol. He was like, "If you scan, you will get offer." Means if you pay on scan and this thing. I was like, go give me side, like I want to see how he's feeling. They were like, no, it was 0. I said it was 0. He was saying, no, it was 0. Why should I lie? It will go to company, nothing is coming to me. Then I came and I checked.
And normally also if you're filling petrol, because at starting he put 500 rupees. So 4 liter.
5 liter.
5 liter. So then he stopped. Then we said, no, we don't want this much. We want more. We want to fill up.
Full the tank.
Full up the what they say?
Tank.
So he said okay. But I understood. I don't know that time. I don't know how my mind didn't work. I understood he didn't start from 0. From there only it was going.
क्या हुआ मैं अंदर ही था कार के.
I told you there. I said that overall became 26 liter. It's showing.
28 liter.
28 liter. But he said no.
No, 5 liter I put already. Already I put. और क्या हुआ?
मैं थक ले.
बेटा कार चला रही थी और मैं साइड वाले सीट पे बैठा हुआ था और एकदम से वो सामने आ गया मेरे. ऐसे कर रहा कि इफ यू स्कैन यू विल गेट ऑफर, मतलब आप स्कैन करोगे तो आपको ऑफर मिल जाएगा. मैं बोला साइड में हट, मुझे देखना है कितना जा रहा है पेट्रोल क्या नहीं. तो बोला कि नहीं मैंने 0 से स्टार्ट किया है, टेंशन मत लो, मुझे क्या आने रहा है. 2 people were there. So they were talking something. I was feeling something is fishy.
For this line and another one was for another line. So that guy who was for another line, this guy went to him and he took that what they say
machine for payment.
But something also they were talking. So he came back. Then after that, now when we went, that guy, the guy who scammed us was not there. But another guy who was there, he was there. So Bhagwan was saying, check CCTV camera.
I said, he was asking, I was not involved. I said, I am not saying you are involved. I said, check CCTV camera, who is involved, take action against them. But he was saying, I am not. I said, I am not talking about you. I don't care.
Said he's not good. We don't know anything. We cannot.
I said, I am not saying you are involved or not.
We just know that guy was a scammer.
That guy was scamming.
But we don't know this guy was with him or no. But from his behavior,
I was feeling he's also too. He also was together.
He's a stress and he was like this. He was a little bit not normal. Like no, I didn't do anything. I don't know. He was not shocked person. When we went and we said something like this happened, he's like, that guy, it's like with stress, he was saying, I know which guy they are talking about. So I said, no, this guy also was there. They were together there.
I said, no, so I was not with him. तो देखो ऐसे ऐसे स्कैम हो रहे हैं, मतलब पता नहीं क्या चल रहा है इंडिया में, मतलब किसको क्या बोले अभी. और मैंने उस पेट्रोल पंप के रिव्यूज देखे थे. आई सॉ रिव्यूज. Everyone was saying कि scam. Then I was like 100% sure कि scam. So I went.
A lot of people are not going.
People are like they are leaving it. They are not doing anything. But I searched on internet. They said कि you can go to manager
they
and.
They cannot make videos. They are just putting review.
No, but they can go and check how much liter they put
Maybe
petrol.
They did, but they put review also.
So once I started recording there. And I said ki show me, because online I was searching on ChatGPT and this thing ki, I was saying ki one person always there 24 hours in back end. He's checking all details, receipt and this thing. I said show. देखो ऐसे ऐसे स्कैम हो रहे हैं. लेकिन अच्छा मैंने आने के बाद चेक किया क्योंकि मुझे लगा टाटा टियागो की कैपेसिटी 40 लीटर है. I thought it's 40 liter capacity. That's why I was saying ki maybe it's okay, maybe 8 liter I had, so 32 liter he filled. But then I checked, it was showing 35 liter capacity for Tata Tiago. Then I got doubt. I said, let's go. I had a payment receipt. I checked.
It's good, you didn't
I checked the timing, and based upon timing, he saw how much liter petrol he put. There it was mentioned 2,800, but he took 3,300 from us.
We got not 500 back.
We got 1,000 rupees.
So it's not about money. I get so happy if I get my half back. I get my rights. So I think Iranian women are like this only.
तो हमें किसी का कोई नुकसान नहीं करना, लेकिन ऐसा हो रहा है पुणे में. तो आप जब भी जाओगे ना, देख लो, ध्यान से देख लो. हमें तो कुछ पता नहीं, फर्स्ट टाइम हम कार यूज कर रहे हैं ना इंडिया में, तो ये स्कैम है क्या होते हैं हमें उतना आइडिया नहीं होता. लेकिन मुझे डाउट हो रहा था कुछ ना कुछ चल रहा है हम दोनों के बीच. जो पेट्रोल फिल कर रहे थे ना, वो बात कर रहे थे वो बात कर रहे थे एक दूसरे को. तो मुझे कुछ डाउट हुआ.
My family were saying you cannot prove, it's okay, don't go. I was like,
you know, at 12 we went. 12.
In Iran, petrol is 3 rupees per liter. I was like, here is not like this. For 1 liter we have to pay how much?
100 rupees.
More than 100, right?
101 rupees.
So 100 rupees we are paying. So in Iran, if you want to pay, if you want to put 30 liter, it will be 90 rupees. So just imagine how much difference. That's why we thought like let's go.
और रात को 12 बजे जाके हमने हमारे पैसे वापस ले लिए गाइस. और भी हमारा टाटा के गाड़ी का भी इशू है. अगर उन्होंने वो भी सॉल्व नहीं किया तो उसके ऊपर भी हम वीडियो बनाएंगे जल्दी ही. और किसी को नहीं छोड़ेंगे हम. मतलब बहुत मतलब क्या लोग क्या समझ क्या रहे हैं. मतलब हर कोई पैसा लूट ही रहा है. और इतना क्या बोले अभी कुछ तो शर्म होना चाहिए ना लोगों को. मतलब कितना लूटोगे लोगों को. और जब मैं कार खरीद रहा था उस टाइम कितने कॉल कर रहे थे मेरे को. How many times they were calling? Now I am texting them on WhatsApp. Any updates? They are not even replying. So I am waiting till tomorrow night. If they didn't do anything, I am going to put complaint against them on Tata customer care. After that, 3-4 days I will give to solve the issue. If they didn't solve, I will put video.
I feel if someone is not educated or they don't know that much, because I am educated but I don't know this type of things, whatever he's saying. Definitely they will get scammed and they will not even understand.